The center is quiet because of COVID, been closed since March 13th, and I can't wait to see everybody's face again, our family. Seniors are being forgotten, and I hate it. There's so many older adults, seniors, sitting at home alone. They're in a vulnerable population to begin with, and they're scared. They're scared of what COVID could mean to them. Depression is rampant in the senior community even before COVID started. But when you take away everything that they know, whether it's their church, their social club like Corbin Senior, that depression rises. Seniors now we have to figure out how to reach them, how to make sure they're still thriving. We're not open, and we rely on donation from our members, and our members are hurting right now, so I'm looking to go beyond. I'm looking to get our word out there that we need your help. Donate to Corbin Senior, or donate to a senior center that you have connection to. And if it's not a donation, if it's just going over and checking on your senior neighbor with a mask on, being safe, just seeing how they're doing, that means so much more to them than you would ever understand. They are just a great, great group of people, and we miss them.